Okay, a quick overview of where we're at here. So we have this window underway. Basically need to do more work on it. It's coming along, and I have the storm window all ready to go back in. This one already, except for I need to make the top header. So I need to make that 6 and 1/8 inches high. Oh, I should get a measurement on how wide. Over here we did some trim. Need to put another coat on here. Same with this, the green. And then over here, another coat on the white. Lots of work on this window. And this window, I need to get some measurements on the width of this that I need to make. And I did one coat on here, and you can see it's still showing through, so needs another coat. Did a little bit more touch up over here, and then on the radar will be that. But really would like to cap these windows off and get the storm windows all back on. Oh, the storm window for that one is not ready yet. I need to do that one. Okay, that's where we're at up here on the second floor. And on the other side, we'll, which is also on the second floor, we need to do some painting. Oh, and I need to make a bunch of these for around 2 windows in back, really 3 windows. And I need to make some more of these for some corners and some inside corners, outside corners and inside corners. Okay, so I think I'll get a piece of paper and pencil, do some measuring, make a list, and when we hit the wood shop, probably Monday or Tuesday, we'll start making some of this stuff. Takes a lot of woodworking to put all the design back in, but it's worth it.